Why?
Show your cool outfit. Spin around. Big man, Mr. Nash. And what? Show him your baby.
Baby.
Ethan, say goodnight to mommy.
Say goodnight to Mommy.
He's like, huh? Oh, yes. Ethan, where you gonna go? Sick, I got a little dribble there. Hold on 1 second. All gone. Yeah. Yeah.